Congratulations. So finally you did manage to click that link. I'm so proud of you for clicking that link. I really like women who are quick decision makers and who believe in transforming themselves. Now that you are on this page, let me tell you a few things. Once I was a very successful career girl and I lost my career to an institution called marriage. Even though I was married into a very loving, comfortable, and caring family, I went into depression due to lack of career, or so I thought. Little did I know the real reason was I was lacking the clarity of direction in my life. That is where my journey began. Thereafter, I invested tremendous amount of hours, energy and money into the coaches all around the world and learned so many things, and I would love to reveal every single learning of mine with you. Out of that, three important learnings that I learned were: first, healing. Until we are carrying the baggage on your shoulder, like, moving forward really becomes very difficult in life. So healing is just not about healing from a guy or girl's breakup. Healing can be with your toxic family, healing can be from your childhood memories, healing can be from hurt, sadness, insults, criticism that you have been through, healing can be from all the achievements, academic achievements that you couldn't achieve, healing can be from the career issues, healing can be from friendship betrayals, healing can be from all those things under the sky that you wished did not happen to you. Healing can be from things that you did or did not do in your life. So that is where healings is the most important thing. The second important thing is believing in yourself. Until you believe in your own skin, your own body, your own personality, your own inner core values, achieving any kind of small minuscule goal also seems to be a humongous task. And third thing that I learned is that clarity of direction is the utmost important thing in life. Unless we have that clarity of direction in life, whatever decision we take, it turns out to be a temporary decision. Temporary decision results into temporary results, temporary success, temporary money, temporary fame. And that's why people take route A, take a U-turn, come back, they select route B, take a U-turn, come back, they select route C, take a U-turn, come back, and then go into the belief that they are really not meant for great things. No matter what they do, it doesn't work, or it is too late to achieve anything in life. That is where people come to a stage which is called as death of hope, which is really a very bad state of mind. And I really don't want you to go through all these things, because I've been personally through these all struggles and battles in my own head, and I don't want you to go through same things. Because if I've transformed my life over a period of 12 years, I would love for you to transform your life in a short span of time without going through the same struggles that I've been through. When I say about you, I'm talking about all the women. In this 2021, it is my mission to help women, because women are the basis of future of this planet, and I truly believe in this. Women are holding children in their hands. If women are going to get healed, if women are going to believe in themselves, they are going to be comfortable in their own skin, and they are going to have their high self-worth. If women are going to have the clarity of direction in their life, they are going to pass on exactly the same things to the next generation and the next generation and the next generation. So when I speak of helping you, I'm not just helping you, I'm helping your mom, I'm helping your dad, I'm helping your children, I'm helping your husband, I'm helping your in-laws, I'm helping every single person in your life who is attached to you. So this is a compound interest of good deed that I am giving back to the society. I am looking at the ripple effect. And this is the reason I want to help women like you who are right now here watching this video up till this moment. Instead of spending 90 minutes every day on thinking about same things again and again, getting frustrated and going into the same loop of circle of thoughts, spend these 90 minutes and save all those future 90 minutes that you are going to spend in worries. I promise you, these 90 minutes are going to be the most worthy 90 minutes of your life. In the end of these 90 minutes, you are going to get a comprehensive guide of decluttering your mind, which I have personally implemented in my life, and many people have implemented in their life as well. You are going to get a community access to like minded women like you. You are going to get a formula to keep relationships intact even after saying no to your loved ones. These are the things you're going to get at the end of 90 minutes. And if this message of mine appeals to you, if this message of mine really resonates with you, then click on the link below, register yourself for those 90 minutes that are going to happen on Sunday at 10 a.m. Mark your calendar, mark a reminder on your mobile. It's not that I'm not going to give you any less reminders, yet I want you to mark your reminders on your mobile wherever you are comfortable with. If you are comfortable with telling your husband or somebody to remind you about 10 o'clock on Sunday, then do so and register for these 90 minutes. You are going to witness life transformation live in front of your eyes. Your transformation is going to happen in front of your eyes, and others transformation also you're going to witness in front of your eyes. This is what you're getting in 90 minutes. So make sure you click on that link below and let me see you and meet you on the other side. Thank you.